How to multi-app DoorDash and Uber Eats. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. So if you want to use your DoorDash and Uber Eats at the same time, you have to do it simultaneously. That means first and foremost open up your DoorDash or Uber Eats. Then make sure that you are logged into DoorDash account. You can open your Uber Eats first as well. Once you are logged into your DoorDash, from here you can easily go ahead and shop your food meal or grocery items. When you are done with the quantity and items, now it's time to check out. When you're checking out, you will receive your very own DoorDash delivery option. That means it will let you know when and at what time your order will be delivered. Now once you are done ordering from here, you can open up your Uber Eats now and wait for it to load. So first step is pretty similar. You have to go ahead and log into your Uber account. Now once you are logged into your Uber account, the process is pretty similar. You can order up some of the food items off the Uber Eats application, then head to checkout. When you are checking out, you will receive your very own time duration of your Uber Eats delivery. And both of this application will deliver it according to the time they have set. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.